Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to enable push-to-talk on Discord. So by default with Discord, what happens is it basically picks up any noise, which includes any sort of background noise. But there is a feature called push-to-talk, which is handy if there is a lot of background noise going on. So stay tuned to find out how to do that. And if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you can do this on the Discord app if you have it downloaded, or you could do it via the web browser. The process is exactly the same, so it just depends on your personal preference. But in this example today, I'll be doing this via the web browser. So what I'm going to do is come across to discord.com. And I'm just going to go and log into my account. And we're going to come down and click the settings icon, which is gear icon down here. And then what we want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, and under the app settings section, you want to be looking at voice and video. And then just go ahead and give that a click. And then what we're going to see if we scroll down slightly is under input mode, we've got voice activity and push to talk. So basically voice activity is where it picks up everything and anything. So if you've got, like, for example, a dog barking in the background or a TV in the background, chances are it's going to be picked up. So you can change this to push to talk by clicking here. And then what we're going to do is just click underneath. So you've got a shortcut tab here, and this is actually going to be the button you press every time you want to talk into the microphone. So if we click this button which says record, then we can enter the button. So in this example, I'm just going to put the letter R, and then we just hit the stop recording. And now what's going to happen is every time I push the button R, it's going to pick up my microphone to talk. So that will only happen when I press R. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you do it. So I hope you did find that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you click the link in the video description down below, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.